This is the vertical line. The horizontal line should cross the umbilical. So you divide the abdomen into four, right? Upper quadrant, right? Left upper quadrant, right? Lower quadrant, and left lower quadrant. Okay? Now, divide the abdomen into regions. How do you do it? A line passing below at the subcostal, which is at the level of subcostal, which is the level of the 10th thoracic ribs. Okay, so this will be the horizontal line. The other line will be the line of the iliac crest. So if you put a iliac crest here, it should be above that. Okay, so if you put, this is your anterior superior iliac spine. Above that, that will be your iliac crest. It is not at the level of your superior, of the inguinal, at the end of the what is this, at the axis. It should be above. So there should be a iliac crest here, and the line should be above that. Okay, so iliac crest. That will be your, yes, that will be your landmark. Okay, yeah, above the iliac crest. Diba, in your book, it's above the iliac crest. How about this will be your horizontal line. How about the vertical line? Vertical line will be at the middle of your inguinal ligament. So it should be at the midline, around here. Okay? Now, fundus of the gallbladder, where do you see that?
Transpyloric
line. Where is the transpyloric
tip
line?
of the costal cartilage.
Costal cartilage. So it should be above here. Above. And then it will, so if this is if this one is the, kasi ang laki naman, ano, this is 10th and this is 9th. So it should be at the 9th. And then where the line will touch the semi-lunaris. So it should be here. Diba? Where the line will traverse the lateral margin of your rectus abdominis muscle. Lateral margin. So it should be, if this is your line, it should be here. Okay? But this one is very wide. The difference is very wide. So make it what is lower. Okay? So this, it should be here. The boundaries of the Hazelback triangle. What are the boundaries of the Hazelback triangle? Lateral line, lateral border of the rectus abdominis. So what line is this? What line is this? Semilunar line. Okay, what else?
The
medial border of the medial border of the inguinal ligament. So this will be your semilunar line, and this one will be your inferior epigastric vessel or artery. So that will be the boundary. Okay? Boundary. So the first thing you have to know is to know the right and the left. Don't interchange it, because they are asking for the right. So point it in the right. If they are asking for the left, put it on the left. Is that understood?